Are you trying to find a speaker that can withstand rain, splashes from the pool, beach sand, or even a crazy party night? You're in the correct place then. Today's video delves into the top 7 best waterproof Bluetooth speakers of 2025, which are robust, boisterous, and designed for adventure. We have something for everyone, whether you're looking for a waterproof speaker that can withstand a pool party, portable sound for camping excursions, or booming bass for a backyard barbecue. In addition to being durable, these speakers provide incredible sound quality, a long lifespan, and amazing RGB effects that brighten your mood. Your next soundtrack is going to get a major makeover, so grab your towel and sunscreen. Number 7. OHAYO X10 Max Bluetooth Speaker. The OHAYO X10 Max Bluetooth speaker could end up becoming your go-to travel companion if you enjoy carrying your music with you everywhere, from camping excursions to pool parties. With a powerful 25-watt stereo sound system that fills any space with rich, vibrant audio, it's built to impress. With a strong woofer and clear tweeter, the two-way speaker arrangement produces well-balanced highs, mids, and lows. Additionally, you'll adore the extra bass button, which immediately enhances those low tones, if you're a fan of deep pounding bass. Another significant advantage here is durability. This speaker is ideal for outdoor activities or poolside moods because of its IPX7 waterproof classification, which allows it to withstand rain, splashes, and even submersion. With 6 programmable lighting effects that correspond to the beat, the vibrant LED lights also make a party come to life. You may listen to music continuously for up to 24 hours without having to worry about recharging due to the amazing battery life. Smooth one-touch pairing and a reliable connection up to 100 feet away are guaranteed by Bluetooth 5.3. For real wireless stereo sound and double power, you may even pair 2 X10 Max speakers. The heavy bass may drown out vocals at higher volumes, and it is a bit heavy for portable use. Overall, though, the OHAYO X10 Max is a good all-arounder for any music enthusiast thanks to its powerful sound, extended battery life, waterproof construction, and entertaining light display. Number 6. Monster Bluetooth Speaker. The Monster Bluetooth speaker is designed to keep up with your travels if that's what you're looking for. With its 60-watt output, this little powerhouse has a lot of power and produces rich, room-filling music that sounds alive. Whether you're streaming from your laptop, tablet, or phone, Bluetooth 5.4 technology ensures a stable and nearly instantaneous connection. You can even make hands-free calls using the integrated microphone, and while you're offline, the TF card slot offers more playback possibilities. Its 360-degree hi-fi stereo sound, which is clear, rich, and engrossing from every angle, is what really sets it apart. Whether you're hosting a small group, watching a movie, or listening to your favorite playlist, its strong bass and clean vocals make everything sound more vibrant. To enjoy a powerful 120-watt surround sound system, you may even combine 2 speakers. Another advantage here is durability. It can withstand splashes, rain, and even a swim in the pool thanks to its IPX8 waterproof rating. It's ideal for backyard parties, walks, and the beach because it's lightweight, portable, and has a braided strap. The speaker's strong bass may overshadow delicate audio nuances at high volume, which is a minor disadvantage. Nevertheless, the Monster Bluetooth speaker is a fantastic option for anyone who loves loud, bold sound wherever they go because of its durable construction, robust Bluetooth connection, and potent stereo sound. Number 5. ANCOON 80-watt Bluetooth speaker. The ANCOON 80-watt Bluetooth speaker is prepared to deliver powerful sound in any environment, from a beach party to the garage, if you want loud, bold, and long-lasting music. With dual diaphragms, stronger magnets, and deep bass technology that effortlessly cuts through background noise, this durable speaker boasts an amazing 80 watts of peak power. It fills a room with rich, powerful, and clear sound, whether you're having a backyard picnic or working in a busy business. Its IPS6 waterproof classification, which allows it to withstand splashes, dust, and even the rare deluge, is one of its best qualities. Due to its sturdy construction and stress resistance, it is perfect for harsh daily use, outdoor excursions, and job sites. With 6 distinct lighting settings that correspond to your music, the integrated LED lights offer a playful touch and are ideal for creating the right atmosphere at parties or late-night get-togethers. Another advantage is battery life. You can play for up to 20 hours straight thanks to the included 10,000 mAh battery, so you won't have to run to recharge in the middle of a party. Fast pairing and reliable connection with phones, tablets, and other devices are guaranteed by Bluetooth 5.3. For an immersive stereo experience that doubles the enjoyment, you may even use TWS mode to pair 2 speakers. One little drawback is that it doesn't have an AM/FM radio and can be a little heavy while traveling. Nevertheless, the ANCOON 80-watt speaker is a great option for music enthusiasts who live loudly because of its strong sound, robust design, and long-lasting battery. Number 4. Anker Soundcore 2. One of those speakers that can be used anywhere is the Anker Soundcore 2, whether you're lounging by the pool, camping in the woods, or at home. Splashes, rain, or even a brief plunge won't stop the music because it's small, easy to use, and sturdy with an IPX7 waterproof classification. Because of its simple and lightweight design, you may easily pack it in your backpack and head off. The Soundcore 2 is excellent in terms of sound quality. Anker's unique bass-up technology and spiral bass port bring out the deeper tones that make every rhythm hit harder, while its 12-watt stereo output powered by dual neodymium drivers produces clear highs and lush mids. Its sophisticated digital signal processor ensures that the audio is clear and balanced, so you can turn up the volume without worrying about distortion. Another advantage is the battery life, which allows you to play continuously for up to 24 hours on a single charge. That's ideal for lengthy road trips, outdoor gatherings, or intense work days. Additionally, it allows you to connect two Soundcore 2 speakers for a more immersive, room-filling sound experience with wireless stereo pairing. Its lack of eye-catching lighting and integrated voice assistant capabilities are drawbacks, and it's not the loudest speaker in its class. However, the Anker Soundcore 2 is a dependable, hassle-free companion for anyone seeking high-quality entertainment on the go thanks to its remarkable durability, extended battery life, and balanced sound output. Number 3. Taopodo Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The Taopodo Portable Bluetooth Speaker is designed for people who want their music to sound loud, powerful, and crystal clear wherever they go. It produces full 360-degree stereo sound thanks to its 30-watt twin speaker design and sophisticated audio processing, so no matter where you stand, you'll hear crisp highs, nuanced mids, and deep bass that bring every song to life. It's similar to holding a miniature concert. The integrated Bass 3.0 system, which enhances low-end tones and gives your music significant depth, is among its most remarkable features. The sound is full and well-balanced whether you're listening to acoustic, rock, or EDM music. It's also ideal for lengthy work days, road vacations, and outdoor gatherings because it can play for up to 30 hours on a single charge. Additionally, the TWS pairing feature allows you to connect two speakers for an immersive stereo experience that covers any space if you desire an even larger sound. This speaker's RGB lighting effects, which sync to your music, add to the enjoyment and are ideal for creating the atmosphere for nighttime get-togethers. You may use it outside or by the pool without worrying about spills, splashes, or rain thanks to its IPX7 waterproof protection. One minor drawback is that it weighs a little more than some ultra-compact devices. However, the Taopodo speaker is a great all-rounder for both regular listening and exciting gatherings thanks to its sturdy construction, extended battery life, powerful bass, and party-ready light show. Number 2. Matast Bluetooth Speaker. For those who enjoy taking their music with them everywhere they go, the Matast Bluetooth speaker is an ideal blend of durability, style, and sound. It produces rich, room-filling sound that is surprisingly strong for its size, thanks to its dual 60mm drivers and improved bass radiators. Even at greater volumes, the audio remains clear and distortion-free, whether you're listening to pop, jazz, or podcasts. It's a fantastic partner for gatherings, exercising, or just lounging around the house because of its well-balanced bass, mids, and highs. This portable speaker can play music continuously for up to 24 hours thanks to its 4400 mAh battery, so you won't need to worry about charging it in the middle of an expedition. Streaming from your phone, tablet, or laptop is simple thanks to Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, which guarantees fast pairing and a steady connection over a wide range. When you just want pure sound, you can even turn off the RGB lights to conserve battery life. Speaking of lights, the RGB rhythm lighting is ideal for creating a party environment wherever you are because it adds a vibrant glow that perfectly syncs with your music. Additionally, it is designed to withstand spills, drops, and severe outdoor use with ease thanks to its IP6 waterproof rating, shock-absorbing silicone tips, and anti-dust construction. One minor drawback is that in quieter environments, the lights may be a little too bright. Overall, though, the Matast Bluetooth speaker is perfect for both everyday listening and special occasions thanks to its powerful sound, sturdy construction, extended battery life, and vivid lights. Number 1. OZJ 80-Watt Bluetooth Speaker. The OZJ 80-watt Bluetooth speaker may end up becoming your go-to travel companion if you think that music enhances every occasion, whether it's a late-night get-together, a speech day, or a backyard barbecue. This speaker has a powerful 80-watt peak output. The overall sound effortlessly fills any outdoor space, with the highs remaining clear and bass hitting deep. It's the kind of portable powerhouse that transforms informal gatherings into mini concerts. Its 20-hour battery life, which allows you to play music all day and still have juice for the after-party, is one of its best features. Additionally, the IPX7 waterproof design makes it perfect for sitting by the pool or unexpected downpours. You don't have to worry about getting splashed. A few bumps or spills won't put an end to the enjoyment because of its sturdy ABS shell. Another benefit is the TWS stereo capability, which allows you to customize 2 OZJ speakers to provide a full surround sound experience ideal for gatherings. With vibrant pulsing lights that correspond to your beats, dynamic RGB lighting instantly changes the atmosphere. Its larger size makes it less portable than smaller travel speakers, which is a drawback. It is remarkably portable considering its power, though, thanks to the included carry handle. All things considered, the OZJ Bluetooth speaker produces strong, immersive, bass-rich sound that can be used anywhere, on the dance floor or in the rain. These are the top 7 waterproof Bluetooth speakers for 2025. These speakers demonstrate that excellent sound doesn't have to be indoors, thanks to their deep, pounding bass, gorgeous RGB lighting, and unrivaled endurance. These waterproof devices are designed to keep the music playing, whether you're dancing in the rain, lounging by the pool, or camping under the stars. Which one would you choose for your next journey then? Please share your choice in the comments section below. Remember to hit the bell symbol, like and subscribe if you like this video so you can never miss out on more fantastic tech reviews and gadget recommendations. I appreciate you watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Keep an eye out and be loud.